If you've ever wondered what it would be like if one of the world's most respected names in optics engineered a full camera system from the ground up, then you're in for a treat. Zeiss, a name that's become legendary for precision-crafted lenses, is rumored to be making an epic comeback. But this time, they're not just stopping at lenses. According to multiple camera leaks and industry rumors, Zeiss is preparing to unveil the Zeiss ZX2, a mirrorless camera that could disrupt the high-end photography space in 2025. Let's take a deep dive into the Zeiss ZX2, leaked specs, possible pricing, and everything we know so far about what could be one of the most distinctive full-frame cameras coming soon. The legacy of Zeiss. From glass to cameras, to understand the buzz around the Zeiss ZX2, we have to start with the roots. Zeiss has been shaping the optics industry since the 1800s. From Carl Zeiss microscopes to lenses used on the surface of the moon, and in Leica's most iconic cameras, their craftsmanship is woven into the DNA of visual excellence. Fast forward to 2018, Zeiss shocked the photography world with the Zeiss ZX1, a highly experimental fixed-lens full-frame camera that included built-in Adobe Lightroom for direct editing. While it wasn't a commercial smash, the ZX1 was a clear message. Zeiss wasn't afraid to innovate and reimagine what a modern camera could be. Now, in 2025, the Zeiss ZX2 aims to expand on that legacy, but with more refinement, more flexibility, and features designed with hybrid content creators and professionals in mind. Zeiss ZX2. Rumored features: simplicity meets power. The Zeiss ZX2 isn't trying to be just another camera in a saturated market full of spec-heavy giants like the Sony A7RV, Canon EOS R5, Nikon Z8, or the Panasonic S1H. Instead, Zeiss is aiming to do what it does best: deliver soul. Their rumored approach with the ZX2 seems focused not on cramming in every possible feature, but in designing a camera around the philosophy of intentional image making. Let's unpack the leaked specs and features that make this rumored camera stand out. Full-frame sensor, between 37 mP and 45 mP. The Zeiss ZX2 is rumored to include a custom full-frame CMOS sensor, potentially developed in collaboration with Sony. This sensor could land in the 37 mP to 45 mP range, balancing resolution with low light. Performance. Expect rich dynamic range, soft highlight roll-off, and outstanding skin tone rendition straight out of camera, perfect for both portrait and landscape photographers. Zeiss's legendary color science could bring in cinematic tones without needing much post-processing. Modular lens system. Magnetic mount for prime lenses. One of the most exciting changes could be the shift from the fixed 35mm f2 lens in the ZX1 to a modular magnetic mount system in the ZX2. This would allow users to swap Zeiss-designed prime lenses, maintaining the precision of a fixed lens system, but with more creative flexibility. It's a bold move that blends the best of both worlds, like Leica's M-series feel, but reimagined for 2025. This makes the ZX2 particularly appealing for creators who value optical clarity and minimalism. Improved autofocus. AI tracking and real-time eye detection autofocus was the Achilles heel of the ZX1, but Zeiss looks to be stepping up in the ZX2. Rumors suggest real-time AF with advanced subject tracking, including human and animal eye detection, possibly powered by Sony's Bion ZXR, or even a Qualcomm Snapdragon image processor. Imagine tracking a model's face across a bustling street with pinpoint accuracy. That's the kind of intuitive experience Zeiss may be targeting here. It's a crucial upgrade for those interested in hybrid content creation, where split-second timing matters. Advanced video specs, 8K and 4K 120 with cinematic-style Zeiss is reportedly adding some impressive video capabilities to the ZX2. Expect up to 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, both with 10-bit color depth, offering stunning detail for high-end video production. However, instead of simply chasing numbers, Zeiss might focus on delivering natural, filmic image rendering, perhaps with a custom LUT or color profile inspired by analog film stock. For creators in fashion, travel, and wedding cinematography, this could be a game-changer. Hybrid in-body image stabilization. 5.5 stops or more handheld shooters rejoice. Zeiss ZX2 is rumored to come with in-body image stabilization, providing at least 5.5 stops of shake reduction. Whether you're capturing stills in low light or shooting handheld video, this feature will provide smoother, crisper results across the board. Minimalist UI and build, crafted for the purist, rather than integrating in-camera editing tools like in the ZX1. The ZX2 is expected to offer a clean, distraction-free UI, focusing on tactile dials, intuitive touchscreen gestures, and a clutter-free experience. Design-wise, it could take inspiration from Apple's industrial design language with the tactile feedback of Leica's legendary M-series bodies. Expect aerospace-grade aluminum or magnesium alloy, weather-sealed with an IP54 rating, and a camera that feels like an artistic instrument, not a data machine. Storage and battery, creator-centric choices. Storage options will likely include internal NVMe SSD up to 1TB UHS-2 SD card slot for external flexibility. Battery-wise, it could be powered by a custom high-capacity pack supporting over 1,000 stills per charge, ideal for long shoots and on-location workflows. Expected release date and pricing based on credible leaks and industry registration filings. The Zeiss ZX2 could be unveiled in Q4 2025, possibly timed with major industry events like Photokina or IBC. Price expected to land between $4,000 and $5,000, putting it in the same luxury creator space as the Leica SL2, Sony A1, and Canon EOS R5C. This won't be a camera for everyone, but for those who value visual storytelling and image purity, it may be the most inspiring camera of the year. Bonus update: Hasselblad X2D Mark II, the medium format giant, returns. Before we wrap up, let's shift briefly to another exciting development in the photography world. Hasselblad is also making waves with rumors of their next flagship medium format camera, the X2D Mark II. Spotted in an FCC registration under the code HB722, this model is expected to launch in June 2025. This aligns with the expiration of the typical 180-day confidentiality period for device filings, which began in December 2024. The original X2D100C turned heads in 2022 with a 100 megapixel BSI sensor, IBIS, and stunning color science. However, it lacked strong autofocus and had zero video features. That's expected to change. X2D Mark II. Rumored upgrades. Same 100 megapixel sensor, but with improved readout speeds and noise performance. AI-powered autofocus tracking with more focus points and quicker response. K video capture, potentially with 10-bit color and a custom log profile. Refined IBIS and improved grip design. Internal storage could bump from 1 TB to 2 TB, ideal for hybrid shooters. With brands like Fujifilm pushing hard in the medium format space, Hasselblad needs to bring their A-game, and the X2D Mark II could deliver just that. Final thoughts. The year of the visionary camera? 2025 could be the year where artistry and innovation collide. From Zeiss's purist approach with the ZX2 full-frame mirrorless camera to Hasselblad's return with a modern hybrid medium format camera, photographers and content creators have a lot to look forward to.